theme for Route 2025 is connect, co-develop and coexist. And the thinking behind that is you need to do all three, kind of in an order, but also in an iterative way as well. Then we need people to start having those conversations about co-developing ideas, technologies, ways of working, collaborations. And then we need to think we're in a small island here in the UK. We've got lots of businesses. We've got different land types. All of these things are going to have to coexist. And so the idea is that we start these conversations here.